Hello everyone, welcome to Textbook Super Coaching for Bank Exam. Guys, today we are going to discuss the syllabus of Information Technology stream, the post announced by the SEBI for the Grade A exam. The specialist post, obviously very important, and many students are applying for it. The phase 1 and the phase 2 syllabus of these information technology is a bit different. Obviously, phase 1's paper 1 is common for everyone, phase 2's paper 1 is common for everyone, but the phase 1 and phase 2's paper 2 is a bit different for everyone, so we need to talk about that. Before going to talk about the syllabus, please subscribe the channel and for the further informative videos, especially for your exam point of view. We'll directly start with the session. Now, the syllabus for paper 2 of phase 1 information technology. Now, this syllabus is only for the paper phase 1 of the paper 2. So, remember that this syllabus is focusing on the phase 1, not on the phase 2. Phase 2 syllabus is a bit different, and the exam dates will be also different because the phase 2 of everyone other than the information technology will be in the month of August, and one paper of yours, especially information technology, will be in the month of September, and the phase 2 paper 2 is also time consuming. 210 minutes I guess they have given to the paper 2, so it's little bit kind of a complicated, and they have given a much further time frame for you, so आपको थोड़ा वक्त मिलेगा उसको अच्छे से डिटेल में पढ़ाई करने के लिए. But first we'll talk about the phase 1 because it's very nearby in the month of July, end of July. So their focus will be on the database concepts, ER model, relations model, relation algebra, then tuple calculus, integrity constants, normal forms. So these are the main focus there. So 10% weightage. The best thing is that they are focused on the weightage. Then SQL queries is also there with the 10% weightage. They talked about the details. So if you'll just follow these details, it will be more than enough for you, literally more than enough for you. Most of you might be having a very good experience of these things, but you need to control yourself because the huge weightage is given to the programming concept Java, C, C++. 30% weightage is given to this part. Okay, the rest of the part is not having much weightage, 10%, but यहाँ पे weightage बहुत ज़्यादा है. Even notification में उन्होंने information technology पे इसी के ऊपर ज़्यादा focus किया हुआ है, so यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा detailing करनी पड़ेगी. Then data analytics language, okay, they talked about that. Okay, Python की भी बात की हुई है, data mining, list, importing, exporting data, charts and graphs, again 10%. Algorithms from the problem solving, tree graphs, then connected components, spanning trees, shortest paths, and all those things they have talked about, and then networking concept. Total 9 topics they talked about when it comes to the phase 1. So phase 1 का syllabus थोड़ा सा बड़ा है, 9 topics का है. Then they talked about the information and cyber security concept. इसके ऊपर थोड़े से क्वेश्चन ज्यादा आने के चांसेस है, तो यहाँ पे फोकस रखेगा. Data warehousing and shell programming having very less weightage. Anyways, many students are very comfortable with these topics. They can easily handle these. So again, weightage should be your main focus. कहाँ पे ज़्यादा फोकस करना है हमें? 40% ओवरऑल आपको मार्क्स मिनिमम लाने हैं. तो मेरा सजेशन होगा कि जावा, C++ will be your prime focus, and then information and cyber security. Okay, so these together will consist of 40% of your whole syllabus. 40% आपका यहाँ पे अच्छे से हो जाएगा. ऑफ कोर्स हम इसी के भरोसे नहीं रह सकते क्योंकि हमें कुछ 2-3 टॉपिक और एक्स्ट्रा में कवर करने पड़ेंगे. सो यू कैन चूज दोस टॉपिक्स. आई विल सजेस्ट कि आप इनमें से लाइक ये जो लास्ट में दी इसमें से कुछ आप एक जरूर इसके ऊपर फोकस कीजिएगा, थोड़ा सा बेटर रहेगा. अगेन स्मार्ट वर्क इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट विल नॉट बी पॉसिबल फॉर यू, माइट बी बिकॉज बहुत कम वक्त बचा है, पूरा का पूरा सिलेबस कवर करना आपके लिए पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. द वेरी गुड थिंग विच इज बाय द सेबी इन दिस सिलेबस इज दैट दे टॉक्ड अबाउट द वेटेज. They talked about the weightage for each and every topic, and that will be really very helpful for you. So plan your study accordingly so that smartly चीजें हो सके. दूसरा, phase 1 is जस्ट अ स्क्रूटिनी टाइप. फेज 2 इज रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वहां पे जितना मैक्सिमम स्कोर कर सकते हैं हमारा फोकस होगा. तो एक बार फेज 2 का भी सिलेबस देख लेते. फेज 2 पेपर 2. सो द सिलेबस इज दिस only 4 topics are there. So algorithms, they are giving 30% weightage to algorithm. Then data structure, 40% weightage is there. String manipulation, 10% weightage or less weightage, and their object oriented programming, 20% weightage is there. So total 100%. So out of which these 2 things are really very important, काफी crucial रहेंगे आपके लिए ज्यादा स्कोर करने के लिए. और ये है भी थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट, थोड़ा सा लेंदी पार्ट पड़ेगा, but I know you are going to handle this. We are not providing any specific lectures or the notes for the specialized stream like legal or the IT or for the Rajbhasha, but we'll try to ask our some few past students who are already working in SEBI. If they volunteer, I will definitely will introduce them to you, and they will guide you regarding how to prepare for these kind of papers and exams in a short period of time. Okay, till that time, all the very best for your exams. If you have any queries, any kind of doubt, please let us know. We'll try to solve those problems at our best. What are the sources we have, we'll try to solve all those things. Okay, yes guys, so bye bye, take care, and all the very best for your exams.